Subscribe for my channel Amol Ujagare and hit the bell icon for latest update.
How to slowly increase learning and work efficiency. Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Today I'm back with another informative video on how to improve learning and work efficiency slowly. So let's quickly move towards the central concept behind our video. It is work efficiency. Work efficiency means getting the maximum output by implementing the least amount of input. It means a person can get excellent results from any work by doing the work in a more innovative way, not in a more complex way. Working efficiently at office, it helps to gain large output from work, and more work is completed in finite amount of time. While on the other hand, learning means acquiring the new concepts and skills which can enhance our knowledge, behavior, attitudes and preferences. Learning is a powerful ability possessed by human, animals and now sometimes machines too. I hope this concept is clear now. Now we will discuss some ways to improve learning and efficiency at work. Ways to improve learning and efficiencies at work. Implementing all the ways of efficiency is not possible in a single day. It requires a step-by-step order to reach the desired output. First of all, we will discuss the initial efforts, which includes setting up goal and personal benchmarks, focusing at work and stopping the multitasking, determining strengths and weaknesses, then creating schedules and taking breaks. Now let's discuss setting goals and personal benchmarks. Setting goal is a critical part to success and also an effective way to improve work efficiency. But unfortunately, we people are not in the habit of assigning realistic deadlines to our goals and try shortcut means to reach goals. If our goal starts from point A and ends at point Z, we should not overestimate the importance in between the steps B, C, D and so on. Instead of creating big and long-term goals, try to make small goals in initial days and personal benchmarks. Next comes to focus at work and avoiding multitasking. Lack of productivity due to lack of focus is one of the biggest job performance killer. Internet and social media apps are the biggest hindrance in achieving the goals, as people tend to waste their time by just scrolling uselessly. A person can use apps that can block such a websites during work hours. Try to create a focused goal and clearly define your objective to work according to your demand. Avoid giving a lot of work at single time because the majority of people cannot multitask. Make sure that your goals are SMART, which means they are specific, measurable, attainable, realistic and timely. Then determining strengths and weaknesses also play a vital role in slowly increasing the learning and work efficiency at work. Determine your skills and ability that can use to perform effectively at work and help you to shine your performance. You can discover your hidden talents and new technology that can help accomplish the task in less time. Keep track of your strengths and success. Never compromise on your weak points along with polishing your positive skills. Try to improve weaknesses during the initial days of your career to avoid distraction and consequences in the future. Those having a habit of spending their day according to schedule accomplish their goals more effectively and quickly than the others. Build a habit of creating a schedule and to-do list, especially in the initial days of your career. It helps a person look at the daily important tasks that need to complete in a specific time frame. Scheduling helps to organize the day, and it makes activities less challenging. Moreover, also includes breaks and short relaxation intervals in your schedules, which helps to freshen the mind and body. A person works more productively after 5 to 10 minutes of break. When a person becomes pro in initial efforts of creating the goals and starts developing the learning skills, then sticking to such actions and habit it comes the way. Continuing the completed goals and efforts to increase the learning and work efficiency, it includes connection with the purpose, prioritizing the important task, continue to learn new things. Let's talk about the connection with the purpose. People think that if they are not reaching their goals, they are inefficient and lazy in their life. But this is not the fact in all cases. Sometimes we are not inspired by our daily task and we do not enjoy working on them. Try to connect the daily task with your ultimate goal. Get all those things are done in first place which you want to do. After this comes prioritizing. Prioritizing essential tasks. It involves the ability of a people in which they can choose to complete the task according to their desire. A person can choose to prioritize the essential and challenging tasks, while person can achieve the smaller job afterwards. Once your task completes, you are free to have a tension-free break. The learning process never stops, and to increase the productivity and efficiency in work, one must keep on learning new skills to enhance the knowledge and clear the concepts. It is good to keep learning about the new skills related to work, which helps improve the previous skills, and it can also save the time at work. After setting up goals and learning the ability to stick to them, the most important thing is to show persistence in life. Yes, being persistent in life is the most crucial thing to achieve desirable goals in life. Persistence includes cutting the distractions and interruptions, setting up time for emails and meetings, then improving the environment for productivity, utilizing the time in effective manner. Firstly, we will discuss on how to cut out distraction and interactions to work efficiency. We might face distractions like mobile phones, watching videos and series when we feel bored during the hectic routines. Digital devices are not harmful to use as they are entertainment for us in today's era, but using them massively during the working hours distracts us from reaching our goal. Try to use blocking apps during the working hour if you are in a bad habit of using mobile phones constantly throughout a day. Moreover, you can set up a schedule or fixed timing to use social media. Remove all sort of clutter from the desk and surrounding environment from your office place too. Excess files and materialistic things are also source of distraction, and a person often gets confused to find a specific file or a document from such a heap of files. Try to organize the files and items on your desk, which creates a lesser distraction. Next comes the communication mode, which includes the scheduled meetings and managing mails. Emails are considered a reliable source of communication in the business community and were set up especially for the sector. During our daily routine, we might subscribe to various newsletters which can badly fill up our inbox and might consume a lot of time finding in essential mails from such a junk. To avoid such a time wastage, try to set a specific time in a day to check emails and reply them in that time frame. It will help us to complete the task on time and it will save time too. Improving the environment of the workplace is also positively linked with the increased productivity. Try to clean up the desk and surroundings areas in your office place, which can improve the mood and the further increase work efficiency. Please focus on the interior of the office or workstation if you are working from home, as it is associated with the internal environment. Try to use the fresh indoor plants and creative artwork which can boost the positive mood, leading to increase the efficiency. Remove all sort of items such as broken chairs creating cracking noise from the environment and try to bring a comfort managing the interior of the office place. All such discussions will fail if a person does not know how to manage and use the 24 hours of a day in an effective manner. Along with the office work, some personal life responsibilities requires proper time and attentions. If a person fails in managing the personal life activities, then office workload will be also disturbed. Try to create the same schedule as the office workload for the housework too. It helps to look at the daily tasks of a personal life that requires your attentions and particular focus. Scheduling can help to utilize the 24 hours of the day productively, and it will decrease the chances of panic attack at the last moment. So I hope you have gained the quite helpful information from today's video and you will implement these strategies in your daily life. If you have any questions regarding to these points, I would love to hear your queries in the comment sections. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and colleagues. So let's meet again with a new exciting video. This was Amol Ujagare signing off. Take care and bye bye. Thank you very much.